Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home, your go-to place for tech tips and streaming solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how to watch Discovery Plus on your Vizio TV. If you're ready to dive into a world of amazing documentaries, reality shows, and more, let's get started. Step 1. Check your Vizio TV compatibility. First things first, make sure your Vizio TV is a SmartCast-enabled TV. Discovery Plus is supported on Vizio SmartCast TVs made after 2016. If your TV supports apps like Netflix or YouTube, you're good to go. Step 2. Access the SmartCast menu. Grab your Vizio remote and press the V button or the Home button, depending on your model. This opens the SmartCast home screen. Step 3. Search for Discovery Plus. Use the remote to navigate to the Apps section and search for Discovery Plus. If it's not already listed, type Discovery Plus into the search bar. Step 4. Install Discovery Plus app. Once you find the Discovery Plus app, select it and hit the Install button. The app will download and install in just a few moments. Step 5. Log in or sign up. After installation, open the app. You'll be prompted to log in or create a new account. Enter your email and password if you're already subscribed. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. Step 6. Start streaming. And that's it. Browse through their amazing library of shows, pick something you love, and start watching. Enjoy streaming directly on your Vizio TV. Alternative method, using Chromecast or AirPlay. If you don't see the Discovery Plus app on your Vizio TV, don't worry. You can still watch it by casting or AirPlaying from your smartphone. Simply open the Discovery Plus app on your phone, start playing a show, and tap the cast icon to stream it on your TV. Conclusion. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to watching Discovery Plus on your Vizio TV. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more streaming tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!